Using AutoDS for Facebook Marketplace can streamline your dropshipping operations and enhance your selling experience. Here's how to effectively leverage AutoDS with Facebook Marketplace. Create an AutoDS account. Sign up for an AutoDS account. Choose a plan that fits your business needs. Connect Facebook Marketplace. Integrate your Facebook Marketplace account with AutoDS. In the settings, find the option to connect to Facebook and follow the prompts to grant access. Product research. Use AutoDS's product research tools to identify trending items that appeal to Facebook Marketplace shoppers. Focus on products that align with local market demands. Import products. Select products from suppliers that you want to list on Facebook Marketplace. Import them directly into your AutoDS account, ensuring to customize titles and descriptions for local appeal. Automate inventory and pricing. Set up AutoDS's automation features to manage inventory levels and adjust pricing dynamically. This helps prevent overselling and keeps your pricing competitive. List your products. Once your products are imported, publish them to Facebook Marketplace. Use high-quality images and engaging descriptions to attract buyers. Monitor sales and feedback. Track your sales performance using AutoDS's analytics. Adjust your product offerings based on customer feedback and market trends to maximize profits.